And by the time she wakes, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's bed.
Hello guys, so ngayon papunta kami sa Marilao dahil doon kami mag-Christmas Eve at magki-Christmas na din. Kaya dala namin tong malaking regalo ni Zabi para meron din siyang buksan. Merry Christmas everyone!
May gyro?
May?
Pag tumalon ba kayo, stable ba yan?
And now we're going to church! Walk to me. Bila mo tubig yan. Hindi tayo magkakar. Hindi. Just gonna walk. It's just near.
There's the motor.
I'm gonna go to church. Wow, what's that? I see it. Okay, you may go out. May tsura mo, girl. Ito. Hoy, ito yung sa'yo. Hala, yun yung gusto niya sa'yo. Hoy, Sid, ito yung sa'yo. Open mo. Help Sid daw to open. Teka, ito. Ito, dito ka mag-open. Teka, si Sid, you just help him. Go. O, Sid, ikaw. Oh my God, what's that?
Ay, Barbie, sabi ko.
Bang, bang, the bang, bang. Wait, I will help you.
Ah.
What do you
What did you say?
Hey, where?
Mom and Daddy.
Thank you, Mom and Daddy.
Mapangan mo kay ano, kay Prince. Akalat. Gusto mo, tapos mapangan mo kay Prince.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Nagulat pa siya eh.
Ano? Oh, lakad ka lang.
Hello!
Hello. Say hello, kids. Eh, first, bless you.
Saan ba yan sa may wakas?
Gen Z? Gen Senior?
Lagi pa nga nakarek. Ganda nga. Oh, careful. Ayan lang.
Look!
Okay. Awit ang Carabao.
And a happy holiday.
I want the picture afterwards.
Let's go. Okay. Ay, sa bike ko, ate. Ride ka sa bike. Ride ka sa bike. Do you help her? Help mo siya sa bike. Dali, oh, cute to. Nakaganon ka lang. Daddy will help you. Upo mo lang siya. Pwede yun, may hakbangan eh.
Pa mo siya.
No! I don't want. No!
Dali. It's cute to. O, ganyan na lang. Oh, wait.
Oh, teka katawa.
Galang. Go. Sige. Ayan na. Very good. Oh, picture. Dance ka daw, Sid. Kailangan lahat ng spot mapicturean nyo, ha?
Sa loob ng Glorious.
Sa loob na. Nay, sa loob daw ng Glorious, Nay. Isa pa, wait. Wait lang.
3, 2, 1. Dati parang lumalayo, oh. Gusto ka daw eh. Tingin ka doon. Yan. 3, 2, 1. Tik na.
Ayan. Ang mga birhen.
Doon? Yan.
Rikpan. Wow, parang mga ano.
Yan ang maganda doon, oh. Wala sa bahay ka.
Wala. Ano yan eh? Organic yan eh. Try natin. Try natin, bili ka. Tapos stevia din, bili tayo.
Oo nga. Mamaya, pagkatapos kumain.
Sige lang. Ayan lang.
This one
What's that?
is a tiny flower.
I see. Flower ba yan?
Opo.
Okay, bye-bye guys. Merry Christmas.
Bye. Bye-bye, guys. Merry Christmas.